this year's EXPODENT brochure release function. I welcome our National President Dr. B. Subhash Chandra Shetty for this function, and I welcome our advisors, Mr. Hanumesh and Udara Shetty, and our treasurer, and for arranging a very good program, Mr. Rajendra. I welcome all the dignitaries for the podium and all members who have come on the busy schedule, weekdays, they have come. Thank you for coming.
This year EXPODENT is scheduled on 21st and 22nd September 2019 at DIC. Total number of stalls 507. In that, which 24 islands and 363 3x3 stalls. Total 20 islands and 341 stalls are booked. 46 stalls are remaining.
Excellent brochure. EXPODENT Bangalore 2019, date 21st and 22nd September. Place venue, as usual, Bangalore International Exhibition Center, Tumkur Road, Bangalore. This will be a great pleasure day that we are releasing the brochure of EXPODENT. As all of you know, there is nothing to talk much about it. As he explained, we are expecting at least 500 stalls. The whole hall should be booked, and 6 to 7 stalls, as usual, we give it to the media people. That's the usual thing. This year, I expect the entire hall to be full. It's a very great sign because after EXPODENT International Delhi, Bangalore has become undoubtedly the second place for the exhibition. Because Delhi, I'm expecting more than 1,000 stalls, and including Bombay and all, it doesn't cross 300, 350 stalls. Bangalore is well ahead of all the EXPODENT in India. That is Calcutta or Chandigarh, Chennai, Mumbai. Every conference it has beaten outrightly. That shows the Bangalore EXPODENT is growing in a rapid rate. Last year itself we had 460. So this year we expect it to go more than 500. But anyway, there's a limit. 507 is the total stall available. Say about 5 stall goes to the media. So remaining stall we can fill it.